Hi everybody, it's a Tanya Mundt collaboration. I'm so excited to show you this painting that I did. And I packaged it up and I shipped it all the way to Michigan to Tanya so she could work her magic on it. I've done a couple other collaborations with Tanya, including this one, and also I did a video showing her very special technique where she uses a glue gun and pigments to create amazing embellishments over the top of her pour paintings. You have to check that out. The other videos are right before this one on this channel. So take a second and go check those out. The split cup was warm colors on one side and cool colors on the other side. Basically with the split cup I just did a traveling pour, and this is a really slow drizzle actually because this video is sped up quite a bit. I'm just doing a traveling straight pour basically. You can see the cool colors on the left coming out of the cup and the warm colors coming out on the right. Now, one advantage to doing this is you don't get mud because the colors are separate as they come out of the cup. So normally when you mix red and green or orange and purple and things like that, you're going to get some gray or some brown. So I decided this painting was a little wild for me in terms of just leaving it as it is, although there's a lot of beautiful effects and you can certainly get those effects, leave those effects if you wanted, but I decided to do a swipe with white, and that's what you're seeing here. Just a swipe with white and a giant palette knife that I absolutely love using. And you can see some of the colors popping through, but actually not very many of them decided to show. And then this is the water-based spray paint by Montana. All of the links for the products in this video are listed in the description box, so you never have to guess what I was using. And for those of you who've been watching my channel for years, you know I can never do a pour painting without adding my balloon rolls, so there they are, making their appearance with a blown-up glove. I think I've had this glove for, my gosh, almost like a year and a half. I've just been using the same one. It's tied really well, I guess. But now I'm adding some of the colors back into the balloon rolls. One thing I love about this particular technique is when you use the spray paint and then you do the initial balloon roll, it kind of creates a shadow behind it. So it gives that illusion of depth, and I really think it's pretty. And then I also decided to add some purple because I lost a lot of those warm colors, just the flash of colors when I did the swipe. So I thought that purple would be pretty to add back in there. I didn't know at this time that I was going to send this to Tanya, but later on we did another collab, and it was so fun. I just kind of wanted to see what she was going to do with it, and I thought maybe a pelican or something, or I didn't know, but I decided to pack it up and mail it to her, and I couldn't wait to see what she did. So here is what she said when she got the package.
Hey guys, it's Tanya. I have a surprise. Another collaboration with Heather Nadar, and this is the box. Sorry, my art room is a hot mess. This is why I normally don't video. But I am going to be seeing this for the first time. So excited. Seems like it's kind of a big one, doesn't it? Thanks for all the packaging materials, Heather. Oh, this is gorgeous. What am I going to do on this one? What do you guys think? What should I do? Maybe a zebra? Maybe a crane? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Thanks, Heather. I love it.
So Tanya worked her magic, and look what she did. I absolutely love this painting. It's so fun to see her work. She's so creative. She's such a visionary, and she can take any background and perfectly combine her technique with a glue gun and her pigments and create something stunning. So thank you so much, Tanya, for a beautiful collaboration. And you can find Tanya's information in my description box and also how to get this painting if you're interested. All right, thanks guys. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notifications so I can make more art videos just for you.